In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a private channel on Slack, whether you're looking to start a confidential project or need a dedicated space for your team's discussions. Setting up a private channel in Slack is straightforward and takes just a few minutes. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure you can create a space that's secure and just for the eyes of those who need to see it. First, let's begin by opening Slack. You'll want to ensure you're logged into the right workspace if you belong to multiple, as each one may have its own specific channels and settings. Once you're in Slack, you'll notice the familiar interface. It's all very user-friendly, and our task today will be focusing on the sidebar on the left. In this bottom left sidebar, you'll find a small plus icon. This is your gateway to creating something new in Slack. It's located right next to the channels header, which is where all your current channel conversations are listed. So go ahead and click this plus icon. This will bring up several options, but for today's purpose, we are going to focus on just one of them, the channel option. Click on this to proceed. After selecting channel, you will be met with an option to either choose a template or start from scratch. Templates can be handy if you need a preset structure, but for creating a private channel, starting from scratch might often be your best bet for maximum customization. Once you've made your choice, let's move on to the next stage by clicking Next. Now, it's time to enter your channel's name. Think of something specific and easily recognizable, especially if others will also be managing or accessing this channel. Something concise yet descriptive is always a good choice. Your channel name is what others will see and identify the channel by. Once the name is set, you'll notice an option to toggle Make Private. This is perhaps the most critical step in the process. Toggling this switch is what ensures that only invited members can view and participate in the conversations in this channel. So go ahead and toggle it to make sure your channel remains private. With privacy set, it's decision time on who to invite to your exclusive channel. Add members by carefully selecting the individuals who need to be a part of this conversation. It enhances collaboration when the right people are involved. Lastly, with everything set up, the name, privacy settings, and members invited, click the Create button. With this simple action, your new private channel will spring to life in Slack, ready for you and your team to start collaborating. And there you have it, a new private channel on Slack, all set up and tailored to your needs. Feel free to customize further or add more members as your project grows and changes. By following these steps, creating a focused and secure space in Slack is smooth and hassle-free. Thanks for watching, and happy Slacking.